Ciao svima, hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stefan. You can find me on Instagram by the name stefanttt, or in English stefanttt, and the country I decided to do a review on for today is Bože pravde ti što spase, Serbia, my home country. So Serbia is the country for today, and if you want to know what I think about our representatives and our performance and what is my rating of it, then keep on watching. Before I start doing the review, I need to say something in behalf of all Serbian people. Europe, Eurovision, please forgive us for that year when we sent Marko Kon to Eurovision with the Cipala thing. That was such a joke, and please Europe forgive us for that. Second thing, please Europe forgive us for those awful tubes that we had in the performance of Milan Stankovic. I don't know where we found that. That was so ridiculous. And the whole costume was another joke, so please Europe forgive us for that as well. And the third and the last thing, Moje tri, please forgive us for the whole concept of Moje tri. I don't know whose idea that was, but I just want to tell you one more time, forgive us Europe for doing that to you with those costumes, with that la 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 song. And maybe if we send Sarajevo in the years to come, maybe you will definitely forgive us for the failure that Moje tri was. We all know that Serbia has one win in Eurovision Song Contest, and that win means so much to us. We were so proud as a nation when Marija Šerifović won that year. Everybody in Serbia know molitva from the first word till the last word. It's like our national anthem. Kao žar na mojim usnama je molitva, mesto reči samo ime tvoje nebo zna kao ja. As for other years, I really love our country when it comes to Eurovision. With those three that I've mentioned in the beginning, I wasn't very proud to send those acts on Eurovision, except for Milan Stankovic. The song was okay, but the performance was like, I'm not gonna talk about it. However, every other performance that we've sent on Eurovision, I was feeling so proud while I was watching, and I just hope that this year would be the same. All of you who watch this probably know that we Serbs, we have this competition that was very popular in the years 2003, 4, 5, 6. One time we stopped organizing the competition and we had different way of choosing our representative. Few years from now, Beovizija is back, and for all the Eurovision fans in Serbia, that is like a blast. We all follow Beovizija. Every year we expect Beovizija to be at the quality level as it was during those 2000s. However, there is this popular thinking in Serbia that Beovizija is still not on that level yet. However, this year, it wasn't so bad, Serbs, right? We had two semifinals and the final, of course, and the buzz about who's gonna win Beovizija was everywhere. We had this popular YouTuber, Andrea Jo, competing. We have the most popular girl group now, Hurricane. And we had a bunch of other artists that honestly most of the people in Serbia don't know their names. However, they were there, and really I need to congratulate them. Most of them really gave their best to provide us the show we wanted. So I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who applied to Beovizija and who are trying to bring Beovizija back in our lives as it was during the years of 2000s. Now, we chose our representative. Finally, juries and televoting agreed on who should represent our country this year. Hurricane is going to represent us on Eurovision, and to be honest, I am extremely happy that this is the case. The members of this group are three gorgeous women, three Powerpuff girls: Ksenia, Sanja, and Ivana Boom. Don't forget, when you say her name, we all need to add that boom. Two of them I actually know. Sanja Vucic is my acquaintance. We enrolled in the same college, like, I don't know how many years ago, and we actually met. And every time we see each other on the street, we're gonna be like, yeah, what's up, how are you, blah, blah, blah. We're not friends, but if we see each other on the street, we're definitely gonna talk. As for Ksenia, there was like this party going on some boat, and Ksenia and Sanya both came there, and I was talking to Sanya, and I actually met Ksenia. I don't know if she remembers me, but I definitely remember her because she is such a beauty that you cannot forget. And the third member of the group, Ivana Boom, honestly, I don't have any story there. I'm just gonna say, boom. These girls, they're going to represent us with a song called Hasta La Vista, baby. And you know, actually Sanja Vucic was the writer of this song, and she said that her inspiration came from the movie Terminator. We already know the movie Terminator, we know that famous phrase Hasta La Vista, but for these girls it's not gonna be Hasta La Vista, it's gonna be Hola girls, welcome to Europe, because the whole Europe is going to love them. They showed up in the Serbian scene like few months ago, and during a very short period of time they became one of the biggest and most wanted stars in Serbia. And that did not happen without any reason. They really can sing, they look like goddesses, they can dance, they can perform on a very high energy level, so they are stars for a reason. Now, let's not waste our time and let's watch the performance together. Okay everybody, get ready because the hurricane is coming.
Znaj, ruke uvijek znam moj znak. Opreci se njom, opet opreci se njom. Zbog tebe nemam sna. Tišina ubija, ostaćemo ti i ja. Praznik pogleda, ti bez srca, ja bez sna. Kada ponekad sam malo u vezi, a sa mnom nikad nije to sad u vezi. A ti uvijek biraš pogledaš u sebi. Sada ljubavi, uzmi ili ostavi. Hasta la vista, baby. Imam novi plan, imam novi plan. Hasta la vista, baby. Jasno kao dan, jasno kao dan. Kaži mi hvala, što sam te voljela. Na tebe tako malo stojiš, što nisam ti se dopala. Hasta la vista, baby. Jedan, dva, tri i kraj. Odbrojano je znaj. Ruke u stan moj znak. Opet si sa njom, opet si sa njom. Zbog tebe nemam znak. Tišina ubija. Nije ovo sujeta. U ljubavi to je cute but psycho. Mada ponekad sam malo vezi, a sa mnom nikad nije to sad no vezi. A ti uvijek biraš pogledaš u sebi. Sada ljubavi ili ostavi. Hasta la vista, baby. Imam novi plan, imam novi plan. Hasta la vista, baby. Jasno kao dan, jasno kao dan. Kaži mi hvala, što sam te voljela. Na tebe tako hvala, stojiš, što nisam ti se dopala. Hasta la vista, baby. O da, bilo mi iskreno želim da dam ti se, da ne obrne se sve. Ti i ja, da obudimo lutila kad sviram kraj, sviram kraj. Imam novi plan, imam novi plan. Hasta la vista, baby. Jasno kao dan, jasno kao dan. Kaži mi hvala, što sam te voljela. Na tebe tako hvala, stojiš, što nisam ti se dopala. Hasta la vista, baby. Hasta la vista, baby. Hasta la vista, baby. Oh, hasta la vista, baby. Hasta la vista, baby.
Hasta La Vista, Europe. Oh my gosh. This performance, everybody. This performance is basically, I don't know how to describe this. This just gives me so much energy. I feel the need to run the Belgrade Marathon. I feel the need to clean the house. I feel the need to, I feel everything. This just gives me so much energy, and I'm really proud of our presenters this year, because this is so much fun to watch. Like, everybody are gonna be dancing with this. This is just going to look so fucking good on Eurovision stage. Now, let me just calm down myself because I'm all shaking, I am all sweaty. Like, this is not normal how I feel after watching this. Like, they're just powerful women and they're like, hasta la vista, baby, I don't fucking care about you. So, good job, Serbian girls, I'm very proud. Now, with that being said, let's actually talk about this performance. First of all, I'd like to say I'm not gonna be biased. Yes, this performance gives me so much energy. This is the song I love. I know every word of the song. Trust me, Europe will remember this song. So this is such a potential for Eurovision. Nevertheless, there are some of the things in this performance that I don't like. First of all, costumes. Costumes are the ugliest costumes I have ever seen. Like, I don't know where they found this, I don't know who created this, but this has nothing to do with them, with the song they're representing, with the visuals they have behind. This just has to do nothing with the whole thing. So costumes are awful. They look extremely cheap with that shattered glass and you know that fabric that's actually like a skin. So I think the main idea here is that they have like these crystals on the naked skin and that like brown fabric is the illusion of the skin. No, it's not the illusion of the skin. It is just the ugly light brown fabric with crystals on it. They actually announced that the costumes are gonna be mind-blowing. Yes, they are mind-blowing, but in a very, very negative way. These costumes, these shoes, they need to go. Now, what kind of costumes they should do? This is the song called Hasta La Vista, baby. The inspiration was the Terminator movie. Let them be modern cowgirls from the future. You know, like the future meets past. They're just the power girls from the future that came to the present and they're like bang, 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 bang. So their costumes really need to reflect that. I'm thinking something, you know, there are so many ways you can choose to go here. First, I'm thinking about some kind of a fringe. Lady Gaga has done so many modern cowgirl fringe moments, so they can find inspiration there. They can be like this Latin beauties with some short skirts all in fringe, which is gonna look very flattering when they dance, so that can happen. Everything except this. This is such a no, no, no. These costumes need to go. Second bad thing. Okay, they're very active on stage. So it's very hard to sing while you're having such an active choreography. However, they really need to work on that. Especially in the beginning. So, 1, 2, 3 I kraj. So each one of them with kraj, they actually made a mistake there. It's like they're losing breath with that note. So they really need to work on that. Vocals really need to be upgraded. They have enough time to practice, and I'm sure that they will practice that to perfection. So vocals really need to be upgraded. What I would add here, I would probably add some more back vocals to be in the back of the stage. I think that will add some extraness to the song and it will be easier for them to perform when having those back vocals that will jump in when they lose breath. Choreography part. Choreography is very, very, very good. However, sometimes they're not synchronized. They need to practice more. This choreography needs to be practiced a lot more in order for them just to be synchronized. You know, sometimes I get a feeling that some of them are standing there not knowing what they should do next. Those are just the seconds I noticed, but that also can be upgraded. Now let's talk about those two backup dancers. What the fuck did they wear? It was like one of them called another and said, "Hey girl, you know, tonight we have this Beovizija thing, what are you gonna wear?" "Oh, you know, I was thinking about black shorts, black t-shirt." Yeah, we're on the same page, I was thinking that too, I just have one in the closet, should we wear that?" "Yes, let's fucking do it, it's gonna be awesome." No girls, that was not awesome. I know it's not your fault, I know that somebody else actually chose that for you, but to you who chose that, what the fuck were you thinking? Like that black shorts, black t-shirt, and you know, let's try to include them in the performance by adding that shattered glass around their waist. That was so awful, even more awful than the costumes that the girls were wearing. So I don't know if Hurricane actually need the backup dancers on the stage, because I want them to be the main point of this performance. I don't want to be distracted by those backup dancers. They already have like the silhouettes on the visuals, so honestly I think that backup dancers are really unnecessary. If you want backup dancers, please try to make them to look as part of your group, because right now they just look like disjointed twins that are there for no reason. These are not the negative comments, this is just a friendly feedback for them, because honestly I just want them to do, I want the best for them. I just want the best for them. As I said before, Sanya is my acquaintance, and honestly this girl group, we haven't had such a thing in a long time in Serbia, and I really want them to be on the best possible level they can be. What kind of performance would I like to see here? You know, they're called Hurricane, but you know what comes before Hurricane? Tropical storms. So first I want to see tropical storm Ksenia Knez. Then I want to see the tropical storm Ivana Boom. Then I want to see the tropical storm Sanya. So I don't feel like they need to be together in the beginning. I just feel like that they can come from different places to the center, so all these tropical storms coming together, forming a very strong hurricane that's gonna blow the arena in Rotterdam. So my idea here is, as I said, they are all coming from different sides, but 1, 2, 3 I kraj, odbrojano je znaj, ruke, so that's Ksenia part, ruke and then they have all together, they're singing opet si sa njom, opet si sa njom, since, you know, in Rotterdam there can be done a lot of things with cameras, 3 cameras next to each other, and they're just like, you know, looking at the cameras and saying that, and then, you know, slowly they're coming together to the center of the stage, and then they blow our minds with the choreography part. You know, this is already like a revamp of the song, and with, you know, with the melody, they've done so many modifications, which I love all of them. Those boom, 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 boom. You hear the guns, you hear the shots, maybe a whip. Use all that in your performance. I just feel like you can all have these interesting girly weapons. Some of them can have like a pistol on her thigh, and then in the end she's pulling her red pistol that is gonna shoot the glitter. For example, one of them can have a whip, and in the end, like Indiana Jones, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, there are so many different ways they can choose to work on this performance. Like, this is such a potential for a lot of artists to come and to modify this to look like such a powerful performance. It's already very powerful because it really sends energy. You're like, yes, you're like, hasta la vista, baby. So it's already very powerful with the 3 of them being, you know, being just them. It's like mesmerizing just to watch how beautiful they are, and the way they dance and the way they sing. However, artists really need to work on this. I feel like that this is still not a finished performance. For some people, they will say, yes, this is it, we're already ready, but no, I just know that we're not ready. I have been watching Eurovision for years now, and they have those little things that they really need to work on. Now, another thing I like about this performance, you know, this year everybody are going with these high quality sounds, have those really strong ballads, we have, you know, the techno music, folk mixed with techno. So everybody are going with all these genres, but nobody by now is going with this mix of Greece, of Turkey, of Serbia, of modern, of future. Nobody is going with this, and I'm extremely happy that finally we have a representative that the whole Serbia will watch and cheer for. My expectations are that this is going to qualify high on the charts, since there is not gonna be anything like this on Eurovision this year. This Eurovision is going to be very, very hard to be won. I don't think that we have a winning performance. However, we're gonna see what happens on that Eurovision stage. We basically know nothing until we see all of that. And I'm so excited to see what Hurricane will do with this song and with this performance. I just really hope that they will find the right artist, because there are so many talented people that can help them, that can tell them this is not good, this is okay, this is perfect. I just want them to be perfect, because this is their shot for the whole world to see them, because they are really talented, beautiful, and they really have that X factor that's necessary to be famous worldwide. They really can do that. Now, with all these things being said, drum rolls please, my rating. So, Hurricane this year will get a... Wait. Hold on, everybody. You know how are the Eurovision rules? You cannot vote for your country, right? So I am not rating my country because that is a no when it comes to Eurovision, and honestly I really like to follow those Eurovision rules. I'm all for that. That's why I will not rate my country. I will just say good luck, Hurricane. I really wish you're gonna do your best in Rotterdam, and I'm so excited for your future. Now, instead, I want to ask you, what is your rating of this performance? Where is this on your scoreboard? Tell me everything. I am really excited to see what are your thoughts about Serbia's performance this year. Thank you so much for watching me, and if you like this video, please do like and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you one more time, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!